Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And today, finally, I get onto my W1, the rebuilt version in early BR livery. So we will now look at the end of the box. If I can get it in the shot without knocking anything over. There you go. There's the R code. BR rebuilt with exposed valve gear. I'll just hit the camera. Well done. 464 W1 Leslie's the successful design, because that's what it used to look like before it was scrapped in 59, I think, 1959, which where by then it would have been BR green, because what it used to look like was that originally, the Gallop and the Sausage. I much prefer the rebuilt version than that. So yeah, that's what I prefer. So I will not be buying that version. So we will take the box away. We're looking at a slightly little bit different part of the board. As I will grab a controller, which I much prefer the later ones. I'll tell you, these earlier ones, much better than the new ones. Oh, I just realised Ginty's in the way. Come here, Ginty. Who's been ran in now, thanks to my rolling road. As I will now do the hush hush in. There she is. Dusty again already. I'll tell you, mate. Here's the makeup brush I use to dust my models. Because they're soft and designed for your face. For your face. So yeah, streamlined like an A4. And even though it probably made no difference to the Galloping Sausage. As I will move the camera a little bit closer. So she looked like an A4, but she's a W1. Springy buffers. Get rid of that. Ingata blue, so it's just after the BR took over. There she is. As I will hold the camera there and pull her backwards. I will be drilling a hole once I get my gauge master to put that through there. Runs really nicely and smoothly. Ooh. Nearly the wrong way. That would have been expensive. Yeah, it's got my preferred tender connection. The exposed wheel, the cut-out balances, so easier maintenance to valve gear. It's double pony truck. This is like the largest loco I own at the moment. It is. As I will just adjust the camera again. I'm a professional. Well, no, I'm not. Look at that claw, and it's not ran in yet. Don't know if it's on my rolling road, to be honest. Oh, there she cut out. Hand of Doom! Oh. She may have just cut out. Oh. Completely non-scripted. Best way to be. Come on. Come on, hush hush. Here we go. Ooh. Well, this is on the board and better than carpet. Whoops, too far. Derailed. Anyway, that's trash. He's somewhere over there. And cheers for watching. And great little model. Believe you can get a BR green version and the wartime black in the Hornby range, and the smoke generator of the original version. There's a galloping sausage coming out soon, which I will not be getting because I don't like that version. It looks ugly, to put it mildly. So yeah, cheers all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Bye.